analysis and PhD for electrical, power electronics and power quality engineers. This course explains harmonics, requirement of Fourier analysis and total harmonic distortion in detail. Main aim of this course is to help students and clearing all their doubts about harmonics and method of its calculations. It covers method to obtain THD and harmonic spectrum of different waveform. It explains importance of harmonic analysis and role of Fourier series in obtaining harmonic spectrum. It also includes MATLAB programming and simulation tools to obtain THD as well as harmonic spectrum of different waveform. It explains about using FFT toolbox and THD function of MATLAB. Let's discuss about what will you learn in this course. At the end of this course, you will have clear understanding about harmonics, total harmonic distortion THD and Fourier analysis. At the end of this course, you will be able to calculate the Fourier coefficient, calculate THD, to plot the harmonic spectrum of different waveform, and to use the MATLAB to analyze the different waveform for power quality analysis, and to obtain THD and FFT. For this course, basic knowledge of integration is required to understand Fourier analysis, and basic knowledge of MATLAB simulation is also required to use THD function and FFT tool of MATLAB covered in last section. This course is suitable for the diploma or degree students of electrical, power electronics, electronics and power engineering. This course is suitable for the person working with power electronics, inverters or power quality related projects or industries. This course is recommended for those who are going to use power quality analyzer in their project. This course is must for those who are interested in inverter or power quality related projects and dissertation work. Let's discuss about the content of the course. It will start with introduction. In the second section, we will discuss about the Fourier analysis and THD in inverter. We will calculate manually Fourier analysis, Fourier coefficient and THD of different waveform that is supposed to output of the inverter. It will give us the brief idea about what is harmonics, harmonic spectrum and role of Fourier analysis. We will start with the lecture quiz to produce output waveform close to sine wave. That means in the inverter we will try to produce the waveform that is as much as close to sine wave that will have the minimum distortion in the waveform. And then after in lecture 3 we will define the Fourier analysis and total harmonic distortion. In lecture 4 we will analyze the square wave for the harmonic spectrum and total harmonic distortion. In the lecture 5 we will analyze the quasi square wave and find harmonic spectrum and total harmonic distortion. In lecture 6 we will analyze the stepped waveform, that is the output waveform phase voltage of the 3-phase inverter in 180-degree mode. Then we will analyze the notch waveform, which is having multiple pulse per the half cycle like the sine wave, and we will analyze for the harmonic spectrum and THD manually and calculate it. Lecture 8 is about assignment. You will have the examples to solve for different harmonic spectrum and finding THD. The section 3 is about using MATLAB for harmonic analysis and finding THD. First we will see the Fourier coefficient with the MATLAB programming. In lecture 10 we will see the Fourier series with the help of MATLAB programming, how to plot the different waveform with the help of Fourier coefficient that we will discuss. In the lecture 8, we will use the MATLAB simulation to find the THD within the simulation of any waveform. In lecture 12, we will discuss the FFT tool of the MATLAB to analyze any waveform and to find harmonic spectrum and Fourier coefficient of any waveform. In lecture 13, we will discuss about the THD of inductive current and harmonic spectrum of inductive current and the role of inductor as a low pass filter in the circuit. In section 4, we will discuss about harmonics due to power electronics converters. In lecture 14, we will discuss about harmonics due to inverter. We will summarize what we discussed in previous section regarding inverter and harmonics related to inverters. We will also discuss about harmonics and its effect on induction motor in this section. Lecture 15, we will discuss about harmonics due to rectifier, and we will summarize the harmonics due to rectifier and its effect on supply side. Then we will discuss about the harmonics due to regulator, and we will summarize its effect on both the supply as well as load side. So I, Dr. Jignesh Makwana, welcome you all in the course Harmonic Analysis and Total Harmonic Distortion.